Hi friends, good morning. This is Rika. Today I will explain about calculate DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, this is calculate DAX function syntax. Calculate and add any expression and filter one, filter two. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, first I am creating one measure. My measure name is sum of sales. Okay, sum of sales. Okay, close this parenthesis. See this here, it's automatically created one measure name is sum of sales. Next I'm go to new column, my column name is cal. Okay, and now I'm typing calculate evaluate. See this here, evaluates an expression in a context modified by the filters. Okay, and next I'm adding expression. See this here, this is my expression sum of sales. So now I'm adding my expression comma filter. Now I'm typing filter, and next to add any table name. Okay, comma next to filter expression. So now I'm typing next one is next I'm adding countries is equal to comma Canada. Okay, I close parenthesis. Okay, see this here, in this now I'm checking this measure. See this here, automatically created this calculate measure, and next I'm selecting new code. See this here, and select see total. My Canada country have total sales 24 millions. Okay, let's check this function. Go to page 2, and next I am selecting one filter, and next one slicer. Next I'm selecting slicer, and next I'm selecting country. See this here, next I'm selecting new code and select total sales. Okay, now I'm checking my Canada sales. See this here, my Canada sales I have 24.89 millions. Okay, see this here, 24.89 millions. Same way you same way also. See this here, same way also using for France sales also. Okay, France. Okay, see this here, just to I am changing this France also have 24.35 millions. Okay, see this here, let's check this France. See this here, France also 24.35 millions. Okay, this is calculate DAX function in Power BI Desktop.